Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While it can be managed with proper treatment and lifestyle changes, scary complications can occur when it is poorly managed. One of the scariest complications of diabetes is the damage it can cause to blood vessels throughout the body. In the eyes, this can lead to a condition called diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness if left untreated. In the kidneys, it can lead to kidney failure and the need for dialysis or a kidney transplant. Diabetes can also damage nerves throughout the body, leading to a condition called diabetic neuropathy. In the feet, this can cause loss of sensation, making it difficult to feel injuries or sores that can lead to serious infections and even amputations. Diabetes also increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, including heart attack and stroke. People with diabetes are also at increased risk for infections and delayed healing. While managing diabetes can be scary, there are things people can do to reduce their risk of complications. Eating a balanced diet and staying active can help control blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider are also important for monitoring blood sugar levels and catching any complications early. If you have diabetes, don't let the fear of complications stop you from living your life. With proper management, you can stay healthy and enjoy all the things you love. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please remember to click the subscribe button.